We're in Asheville. We're on the stop. We're about to go off on our ride. Blue Ridge. Let's go. Hey, so we are at our first overlook stop here at the Cradle Forestry Overlook. As you can see, it is 4,710 elevation. We just passed Mount Pisgah, which we will be going back that way to get some lunch. But first, we're still going to continue down the Blue Ridge Parkway and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Unfortunately, today it is extremely hazy, so you can't see it as clearly and crisply as it normally is, but this is a stunning 360, almost 360 overlook.
to the highest elevation point on the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's 6,053 feet up, pretty high. We stop here a lot to take pictures with our bikes. It's kind of like one of those token things that you do because you want to say, yes, I made it here. We are at the AC Hotel rooftop bar having a few drinks.
They were very good. We had some appetizers too. We had their charcuterie board. It was amazing. And so after a long day of riding the Blue Ridge Parkway, we're back in downtown Asheville, and this is a great stop here at AC Hotel.
The views are amazing at the rooftop bar. Highly recommend. Drinks are great.
That's a wrap.